Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Queen Elizabeth Community. Today, guys, come up with another very big and amazing trading and exchange project. Before we are going to start the review of my exciting project, I request you, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing video notifications for you guys. So let's start this amazing crypto project. Your trust crypto alloy, guys. You can see this is a very amazing trade crypto with the ease and master trading instantly, safely, and securely. Smooth trading at the fingertips and crypto markets. I am gonna share you everything in my previous video. I'm gonna again giving a little bit overview of this amazing project once again, guys. So I am now sharing you something official and something very interesting about today's, guys. You can see the exciting news for all the crypto leaders. CoinW, a leading global cryptocurrency exchange, is now officially offering the Mubarak dollar for both futures and spot tradings. Get ready to take the advantage of this incredible opportunity. So this is the highest leverage of 60x with the win random rewards of 110 to 200 USDT, guys. So this is now officially available for both the futures and the spot tradings, and this is also participating in the future tradings to randomly win the rewards ranging from 5 to 200 USDT plus up to 100 USDT mega coin as a gift. And this is a high leverage, high return, and exciting, challenging, generous reward are waiting for you. So don't forget. And also you can click the time, you can, guys, and also you can check that how you can participate in this trade Mubarak future to automatically join the events details. You can see the trade with the new coin pair and win the 5 to 200 USDT random rewards during the event. Participants in any amount of mobile futures trading to receive a random reward in the super bonuses and earn more mobile tokens while the trading, and also exclusive 10 USDT welcome bonus for new Mubarak users. New future users who trade Mubarak will receive an extra 10 USDT super bonus in addition to above the rewards. We are grateful to your presence and looking forward to growing together. So, like, guys, this is the limited time boost. Get the $50 future super bonus. So just for the new user, register now and receive the $50 mobile future super bonus and worth the $250 in trading power with the 5x leverage. And during the promotion period, the new users who can sign up, activate a future account, will receive 50 bonus airdrops to kickstart their mobile trading journey. And join the simple step to claim, register, and activate your future accounts and complete the application from. And guys, you can see bonus will be credited the next day, and terms and condition you can, guys, check and read it. And you can see that they have some terms and condition you can get to know, so that you can easily participate in this amazing trading opportunity. And also you can check it out their rules, like, click to the view the super bonus introduction. Event rewards will be distributed within the 7 working days after the events, and total prizes pool for this events, guys, and rewarded will be distributed sequentially based on the completion time. And also to show the fairness, CoinW strictly prohibited the cheating activities. Plus, CoinW reserve the right to the final interpretation of this event. For any question, please contact CoinW customer services, and also you can check their official links of their Telegram in Twitter. And something very interesting about this amazing platform, like the CoinW.com, this have the spot Mubarak USDT. You can, guys, check it out their chart. They are pumping and progressing, so you can check their market buy and the market sale. You can, guys, click it and you can check it out. And you can see that they have the limit price amount in USDT, and guys, you can change it and you can get benefit from it. And also this is launch gained significant attention, particularly after report that Binance founder Change Bank CZ purchased the token. This development contributed to a substantial price surge, and with the Mubarak reaching a market cap of approximately $148 million, experience to 325% increase in the value. So this is built on the Binance Smart Chain and is characterized as the meme coin. It has been total supply of 1 billion token, guys. So this is a very, very good opportunity. And also they have, guys, you can see they are, guys, coin w future USDT mobile USDT. You can check their market in long and also their market in short, guys. You can check and you can go and grab, and you can, guys, everything about their marketing, about their trading, you can check it out. And also this token is a cryptocurrency that emerged in the March 2025, driving the inspiration from the significant financial move from the by the Abu Dhabi and the MGX fund based in Abu Dhabi invested 2 billion in a leading centralized exchange CEXN, signaling strong confidence in the crypto markets. So the name Mubarak, meaning best in the Arabic, reflects the optimism and the prosperity tied to this investment. So, guys, this is a very, very highly mentioned, guys. You have from my side to you guys. So you have kindly, guys, go and grab this opportunity. This is an everlasting, amazing financial boost up for you guys. So go and trade and, guys, make your future bright. And also, guys, get to know that their new users have more rewards and more things to do. So don't forget, and also, guys, share it with the friends and family so that they get benefit from it. Guys, hope so you try and you can get benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.